How to delete Facebook page. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to delete Facebook page. It's actually pretty simple, so make sure to watch this video until the very end. Now hop into your Facebook application. Then go to Menu. Then tap on Pages. Now choose which page you want to delete and tap on it. And tap Switch here to open this page. You are now on your page, so go ahead and go to Menu. Then tap on the setting icon at the top. Then choose Page Settings. And from here, tap on the search bar at the top and enter the word delete. You can then see the suggestion, delete Let's Test's page and information, so just tap on that. Now choose Delete Page and tap Continue at the bottom. Then just tap Continue here. In here, you may opt to download this page's information or transfer information before deleting this page. And as you scroll down to the bottom, you can then tap Continue. To confirm that this is your page, you need to enter your Facebook password first, then tap Continue once you're done. And that's it. After doing those steps, the page will then be deleted. I hope this video helps you. See you on my next video.